Marbles here with some incredible science facts for you. Let's go! I've been turned into a dog! This is totally me!
Oh yeah, no, for sure, but...
Here's how long it takes each planet to rotate around the sun. Mercury takes 87 days to rotate around the sun. Venus, it takes 224 days, Earth days. Happy Earth Day. Earth, we know it takes 365 days to rotate around the sun because that's how many days are in a year. Happy birthday. Mars, it takes 1.8 years to rotate around the sun. Jupiter takes 11.8 years to rotate around the sun. Saturn takes 29.4 years to rotate around the sun. That's a lot. You think that's a lot? Hold on to your seat, buddy. Uranus takes 84 years to rotate around the sun. Neptune takes 164 years to rotate around the sun. And Pluto, which is a planet, takes 248 years to rotate around the sun. Boom. Thanks for watching, kids. Remember to always look for the science around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with more science facts.